Hi everyone, I'm Steve, a Cochlear implant recipient and Cochlear employee. Today, I'd like to share with you what is included in the Cochlear Nucleus 8 sound processor backpack kit. I have been wearing Cochlear sound processors for about 15 years, and I am really excited about Nucleus 8 being the smallest and lightest behind-the-ear sound processor on the market, as well as being better connected than our previous generation of processors. Whether you are a new recipient or has recently upgraded or just want to learn more, this video is perfect for you. Let's start with the Cochlear Nucleus 8 sound processor. I have the silver colour. The Nucleus 8 sound processor comes in 6 colours: brown, sand, white, silver, grey and black. The core components of the Nucleus 8 sound processors are the processing unit, the control button, the slimline coil and magnet, the ear hook and the battery. When assembling your processor, push firmly on the slimline coil into the processor. Do not twist. Your kit comes with disposable batteries as well as rechargeable batteries. For now, we will use a rechargeable battery. To turn the Nucleus 8 sound processor on, simply attach your battery. To turn it off, you can also remove the battery or hold the button steady until a solid orange light appears. There is also a tamper-resistant battery lock, mostly used for children. The button can also be used to change the program. The processor has 2 microphone ports, as well as the indicator light. This is a microphone protector. It needs to be replaced every 3 months in order to optimize sound quality. You'll have extra microphone protectors in your kit and from your clinic. Your kit did not include a remote. You can control your processor by downloading the app. For more information and guidance on how to download the app and pair your processor, please go to cochlear.com and search for Nucleus Smart app. Your kit will also come with a Y charger, which can be used to charge your rechargeable batteries. Ensure your battery is fully charged before using for the first time. If you're not using rechargeable batteries, you can use the disposable battery option instead, which will come with a disposable battery holder, a cover, and a complimentary card of 675 power disposable batteries. Whether you're an adult or a child, we offer many retention options. The Snug Fit ear hook for added behind the ear retention. The Hug Fit ear hook for 360-degree behind the ear retention. The safety cord can also be used for young children or during active sports. Now we will review the additional wireless and other accessory options. Your kit will include the Mini-Mic 2 Plus. This is a helpful tool for many situations where you may want to hear someone at a distance, such as in a meeting room, a classroom, or a noisy restaurant. Think of your Mini-Mic 2 Plus as your extendable ear for up to 25 meters. For pairing information, please visit cochlear.com and search for the Mini-Mic 2 Plus. The Nucleus 8 sound processor is designed to be durable and water resistant up to IP68 on its own. You don't need to worry about being caught in the rain or splashing about in the bath. However, if you want to go for a swim, the Aqua Plus is a handy accessory to make the Nucleus 8 sound processor waterproof, up to 3 meters underwater for 2 hours. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful.